In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to perform a factory reset on your Geo Home Smart Box using just your remote control. Let's get started. Step 1. Power on and prepare. Ensure your Geo Smart Box is powered on and connected to your TV. Grab your remote control for the Geo Smart Box. You'll use it to navigate through the reset process. Step 2. Access the Home menu. Press the Home button on your remote to open the main menu. Navigate to the Settings icon using the arrow keys. Under Settings menu, go to the Account, Storage, and Reset option. Under Account menu, go to Factory Data Reset option and press OK button. A confirmation message will pop up. Reset to restore your Geo STB to factory reset and erase all settings and information. Select Factory Data Reset button and press OK button. Your Geo Smart Box will restart automatically. The system will now begin resetting, which might take a few minutes. Your screen may go blank or show the Geo logo during this process. Once the reset is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again, including pairing your remote if necessary. And that's it. You have performed a factory reset on your Geo Home Smart Box using just your remote control. If this quick guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.